Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. Today, man, we're shooting another video, man. I've been trying to go back to back on these videos, man, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoying it. Yeah, man, so today I'm doing my timing belt on my 2012 Pilot. So yeah, every 100,000 miles is recommended to do your timing belt so you don't, you know, mess up your engine. You know, because the timing belt tensioners leak sometime and causes your chains to the timing chain tensioner leaks sometimes and causes your timing belt to get loose and throw your engine off timing, or it can break and destroy your engine. So that's a very important maintenance item that you need to take care of if you got one of these Hondas, Acuras, Toyotas, like stuff that use timing belts. You need to maintenance them or it can blow your motor up. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the parts. I already started digging into it, but I was just like, you know what, let me pick up this camera. I wasn't really in the mood to record, but I'm gonna record this video for y'all. So yeah, let's check it out. So when you're doing your timing belt, you're definitely gonna need these items right here, man. You need a new water pump. You need the timing chain tensioner. Timing belt tensioner, my bad. Sometimes these leak pretty bad from here, from this little seal. And it'll make your timing belt loose. Also wanna replace your drive belts, your idler pulley, tensioner. So yeah, that's what I'm getting into today. Also, yeah, I forgot. Definitely, since you're in there, you wanna also replace your side mount. Mine is actually bad, so that's why I'm replacing it. And these normally go bad too, these sway bar links. Normally go bad on these bigger Hondas. These sway bar links, the nuts and stuff too. Sorry, man, let's get started. Yeah, first things first, you want to disconnect your battery. See, I got mine disconnected already. That's a lot of battery acid. I gotta clean that off. But yeah. And then you want to remove your computer. Normally sits right here. I already took mine out. And then next step will be to take out your top engine mount, side mount. You want the engine to lower itself. And after the mount, you gotta do the belt too, man. So I'm just gonna try to record as much as I can. I'm the type of person, when I'm in the zone, man, I don't like being held up. All right, guys, so we got the engine mount out. Just wanna show y'all why I'm replacing it. If you look, you can see like the cracks in it, like how loose it is. This thing was done. So, all right, let's get on to the we gotta take the drive belt out, then the timing covers. Next, you gotta take your belt tensioner off. So 14 and it's a 12 right here. 14 and 12. That way you can make room to get your timing chain covers off, the top ones. So I got there about like a few about like probably 10 millimeters, 5 on each side to get them off. All right, next we're gonna set the timing marks on the cams. All right, guys, you wanna make sure your timing mark is lined up. Let me get this thing to focus real quick. And you see that notch on the back and the notch in the front with the marker on it? That's the line you wanna, let me see if it focuses. Yeah, that's the line you wanna be on both cams. You wanna be on that same. It's hard to show you guys with this. Also, when taking off the crank bolt, you wanna use a harmonic socket. Basically pretty solid, so when you hit it with your impact gun, it'll blow it loose. Crank socket right here, you know. That's what we're gonna use to blast off that socket. Alright guys, this is the crank bolt I was talking about. It's the crank pulley. Got to remove this to get the timing covers off. Alright guys, I just put off the side mount bracket off of the engine. This is the this is covering up your water pump pulley. This is covering up your water pump pulley, so you gotta take this off. So now the engine's already set at time. Now we're gonna remove the water pump. Got the timing belt off, and next we're gonna take out the water pump. I'll show you guys what's really going on. So yeah, that's everything right there. I had to take off the oil filter housing to get to the tensioner bolts. Alright guys, we got the water pump off. Alright guys, everything's back together. Alright guys, let's go fire it up for the first time, man. Alright, everything's good. I definitely need to bleed it out, so let me turn it out. Let me turn it off and finish the sway bar link. Then we can park it outside and bleed it. Alright guys, got the old sway bar links out. You see how flimsy these things are? See, that's how you know when they're bad, like the ball joint is so weak. The bottom one was okay, but the top one was bad. These are stiff. You can't even move it off. Can't even move that. Look at this one. So yeah, but I installed both new controller, sway bar links. So yeah, it ain't much to really see. Just a bolt up here and a bolt at the bottom. Zap them on and off. Alright guys, got the car bleeding. So that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Remember, because it's K510, if you can make 5, you can make 10. Keep doubling up, keep going up. Peace.